Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the circuit breaker and confirming no live voltage with a tester. Next, remove the old fluorescent tube and inspect the fixture. Note whether it has a ballast or direct wire sockets. Once done, gather your LED tube and any required bypass kit, insulated screwdriver, and gloves. Make sure the tube type matches the fixture wiring, single or double-ended, because wiring differs. These immediate steps prevent shocks and set you up to rewire properly. Now decide, use the existing ballast or do a ballast bypass. If the LED is ballast compatible, follow the manufacturer's pin orientation and reinstall the tube. This is quickest. If bypassing, open the fixture, remove the ballast, and connect line and neutral directly to the tube's correct end per the wiring diagram. Once connected, insulate and secure all splices with approved wire nuts and tape. Make sure you maintain correct polarity for single-ended tubes and tuck wires neatly before closing the fixture. Install the LED tube into the sockets, rotate or seat it per the tube style, then restore power at the breaker and observe startup. Most LEDs light instantly. If it flickers or fails, shut power off and recheck your wiring connections and whether the ballast was fully removed or isolated. Make sure you use the correct tube type. Single-ended tubes require different wiring than double-ended. If issues persist, test with a meter or swap the tube to isolate whether the fixture or lamp is faulty. That usually pinpoints the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.